Right, so today we're going to be removing this old Vaillant boiler on this unvented cylinder and replacing it with a nice new Vaillant boiler with a 10-year guarantee and a nice new cylinder with a 25-year guarantee. We're going to have a bit of a tidy up of the pipe work down here because, as you can see, it's a little bit scrappy and a bit of a mess. A plumber apparently used to live here, so not quite sure what happened there, but we're just going to see if we can have a right tidy up and just sort the system out a bit because it's experienced quite a few issues over the years. Various things going wrong, breakdowns, a few things actually piped up wrong. So we're just going to go through it all, strip it back to bare bones and kind of start afresh with it, really.
So we're just trying to identify the flow and return to the underfloor heating manifold downstairs. The customer was complaining of it not working correctly, so we do believe it to be quite blocked. We have established that this is the flow to it. Basically, we've disconnected it at the other end and got the hoover on it. We're just going to confirm that the return is pulling through. What we'll probably do is send some mains water down each one to clear it out as much as we can. Basically connect the hose downstairs, put that outside into a drain, connect the mains up here via a couple of connections onto the flow one, and then we'll cut here or undo this connection here and do the same. And we'll basically just send mains water down to clear the pipe out, give it a nice flush through, so that when we go back onto it and put a new zone valve on there, it's going to have nice flow to the manifold. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's definitely the, yes it is, that's definitely the return to the underfloor heating manifold. So now that we've cut a lot of this out, we can see what we're kind of left with there. So what we've got is we've got our heating flow to the downstairs manifold and our return coming back. We've got our central heating return, our central heating flow for the radiators of the system. We've got our hot water. We've got our balance cold after the combi valve for the cylinder. We've got our mains coming up here. Cylinder's almost drained. It should be there in a few minutes. It's starting to feel quite like that. We've disconnected the shower valves. The shower feeds, the hot and cold, one from the cylinder, one from the balance that was going into the aqua there. So they're just